Every point of contact in your system matters. When rollers create friction instead of motion, uptime takes the hit. Standard V-groove rollers will scrub against the track, increasing friction and premature wear. As the roller spins, its outer edge travels faster than its inner point, creating a surface speed differential that leads to scrubbing, friction, and wasted energy. This is where PCI's Crown V-groove track rollers change the game. The CVTR's patented design limits rail contact to a single point, reducing friction and scrubbing for smoother operation. It reduces rolling resistance by 2.34 times as compared to traditional V-groove configurations, decreasing track and roller wear. PCI's Crown V-groove rollers deliver cleaner, longer-lasting performance backed by nearly 40 years of load-bearing roller expertise. Ready to reduce wear and improve uptime? Visit our website to learn more, or connect with a PCI team member today.